Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechTechTuts. Today in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up Laravel 8 with Jetstream and Livewire step by step. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, navigate to the folder where you would like to install your Laravel 8 app. I will be using the desktop, so I will navigate to the desktop by using CD desktop. So you can see I'm already in the on the desktop. After that, make sure you are running minimum PHP 7.3. Laravel 8 also support PHP 7.4 and which is the recommended version, and also it can work with PHP version 8. So I'm using PHP 7.3.25 as you can see on the screen. To install Laravel 8 with Jetstream without any extra steps, make sure you are using the latest version of Laravel installer. If you haven't installed the Laravel installer, just run the command composer global require Laravel / installer. Before running this command, make sure Composer is already installed on your system according to your operating system. After running this command, it will give you an installer, Laravel installer, which will be globally available, which you can check just by typing Laravel -- version. And if it show you the current latest version, then it is fine. As you can see of today, the latest version is Laravel installer 4.1.1. If you have lesser than this version, then simply run composer global update. So then it will update all of the Laravel installer packages and update it to the latest version. After meeting the minimum requirement, now you need to install a Laravel 8 with Laravel 8 Jetstream and Livewire. So to do that, simply type Laravel new Laravel 8 Jet and then space and -- Jet. So -- Jet is a required switch, otherwise it will not include the Jetstream and other required packages with Laravel 8. It will simply install the Laravel 8 and then you have to do some extra steps and configure the Laravel Jetstream with your Laravel 8 installation. So with this step, simply press the enter key and now it will ask you whether you want to use Inertia.js or Livewire. So as I said that we are going to use Livewire, so I will select the option 0 and then it will ask me will your application use Teams, and I will say yes because I'm going to explain it to you what exactly is the Teams and how it works. So I will say yes. After that, it will run 3 steps. In the number 1 step, it will install the Laravel 8, then it will install Laravel Jetstream with the 45 package, and at the last, it will install Laravel Livewire with Sanctum. So it will take some time, around about, it depends on your internet connection. So it might take 2 to 5 minutes. So I will pause the video here and we'll get back to you when all the steps are completed. So we have successfully installed Laravel 8 with Jetstream and scaffolding of a Livewire. As you can see here, it is saying Livewire scaffolding installed successfully. So after that, we need to run this command inside our folder which we have created when we run Laravel new Laravel 8 Jet. So for that, I need to navigate into Laravel 8 Jet folder. And here I will run this command npm install and npm run dev. On Windows, you might need to type these commands separately, but on Linux and Macs you can type npm install and npm run dev. So try it, and then if it doesn't work, then run them separately. So when I run this npm install and npm run dev, make sure you have already installed the latest stable or latest version of Node.js from nodejs.org. Otherwise, npm install and npm run dev will not work and will say unknown internal or external command on Windows and give some other errors on your Linux or Mac. So make sure you have already installed Node.js on your machine, and you can access npm and node command from the terminal. This process will take around about 5 to 10 minutes. So I will pause the video here again and we'll get back to you when this process get completed, and I will be using Sublime Text 3 to open this project and then I will explore it along with you. So now I will open it inside Sublime Text 3. You can open it with your own favorite text editor or IDE, whichever you prefer. So here it is. Here is our Laravel 8 Jet folder. So as you might know that Laravel 8 with Jetstream use database for sessions and auth. So make sure after installation you connect your Laravel 8 Jetstream app with your database inside env file. So inside .env I will be using db Laravel 8 jet database name. So I will save it, then get back to the terminal, and I will run here my SQL minus u as a root. Right here I will say now create database space dbl8 jetstream. It will create the database. Now I will exit from here, clear the screen, and now I will run php artisan migrate command to migrate all of the tables and migrations to the database so that it will create the required tables. Roundabout it will create 8 tables. So it's saying that unknown database DB Laravel 8 Jet. I think I make a mistake when creating database. Show databases. So the name is DB and I think DBL8 Jetstream. I give this name. Okay. So let me change it. So DBL8 Jetstream. And this is the name. Okay. Sorry, no semicolon. So save it and now get back to the terminal, exit from here and clear the screen. Now run php artisan migrate, and this time it will create the migrations inside your database and create all the required tables which will help you to run your Laravel 8 Jetstream application. So that's it. You have successfully created your Laravel 8 Jetstream web application with Fortify authentication and Livewire frontend using Tailwind CSS. Now, after successful installation, run another command which is php artisan serve, and it will create a development server which will point to the public folder of your Laravel 8 Jet project. So we will explore together what folder structure does it have and how this will work, but let me run it inside the browser and show you how it will look. So open your favorite browser. I'm using here Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. So I will say localhost colon 8000 and press enter. So there you go. We have successfully opened our Laravel 8 Jetstream app, and with authentication, as you can see, login and registration is working using Laravel, using Tailwind CSS. So we will see how we can configure Tailwind CSS, how it works in the next video tutorial. So this is it. This was the video tutorial for today where we set up our Laravel 8 Jetstream installation with the Livewire, Fortify and Sanctum API. In the next video tutorial, I will show you and explore along with you what is the folder structure and how does this work and how we can change different things from within our Laravel 8 Jetstream application. So if you like the video tutorial, don't forget to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel TechTechTuts, then subscribe by pressing the red button and alongside press the bell icon and turn on all the notification so that you will get notified as soon as I publish a new video. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Take care and goodbye.